Welcome back to another crypto video. Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for jumping in. Today we're going to look at the Den coin. But first things first, please can you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I notice only a tiny 3% of my viewers ever subscribe to the channel. It's such a sad number. So please subscribe. It's free content your way, added value to your life, and it costs you nothing. Just a click of the button. So let's jump into Den. Currently we're trading at 0.0067 US dollars at rank 140. We currently have market cap of 650 million and a market cap dominance of a very minuscule 0.03%. But I do think we're going to see this number increase over the coming weeks, and the price action will tell you why. So if we have a look, you can see that Den has had a massive euphoric top over here at 0.02. And if we have a look at the prior bull market and take this swing high, we can see that we're actually retesting 0.618 right now as support, resistance, sorry. So this current Fibonacci resistance level is something that is going to be quite tough to bust through. We got rejected there, as we can see, and now we're coming to this consolidation phase, which is hopefully going to be a continuation pattern. You can see we had a bit of a double bottom over here, but we broke the neckline and we come back to this resistance level, but we could not bust through it. I mean, look how many times we've tried to bust through this resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So of course we had our accumulation phase over here. We have a lot of support at 0.0015. So massive support range over there. And yeah, we had a massive impulse wave up. And it looks like now we need to try and break out of this kind of like a bull pennant, but really it's lasted too long for it to be a bull pennant, so it's more of a consolidation range that I think will either break to the up or downside of. The next target is 0.0099 for this. So if we break through 0.009, we will come up to basically 1 cent. So the potential opportunity there, if we do break here, we come up to 1 cent, the opportunity would be, what could the possible long be? Around 13%. But that's only if we break this resistance and come up to retest 0.089 first. So for a long opportunity, I think we can make possibly a 25% trade to the upside. I'm not ruling it out. I wouldn't rule it out at all. This is a low cap, it's extremely volatile. But we should also check where we could fall down to, if we do break through the support level in this situation. So I think potentially if we do get that correction that we're after, potentially we can come to 0.0038. So let's not rule out these figures. 0.0038, guys, from here. So a 28% short. So this is a very large percentages. Just know that these are very risky trades as well. If we look at another recent crypto, I'm sure you've heard of Axie Infinity. We can see that we've had similar patterns play out. Impulse, retrace, find support, impulse, consolidation, found support, and then another massive impulse, right? Look at this consolidation pattern. We can see what happened when we did bust through. There was a potential long opportunity of 27%. And sure, it didn't last long. It's not going to last long. I mean, look how overvalued it is. Look at the extension. It's overextended on the 4-hour chart. So what I'm saying is potentially I think we can get a trade that will be around 25%. And we have a lot of support, resistance around this level. And if we do make that trade, yeah, it's likely we're going to come back down. But I think we'll see this massive volume income. And then the price is going to increase with that, especially as this converging lines come together more and more. The price needs to go up or down. So if we just look at the daily, firstly we can see that we were extremely overbought on the RSI of 93. So this is a fantastic shorting opportunity over here. And coming down, we can see We don't really have a bearish divergence. It just looks like we're getting a bit more selling pressure, so maybe a sell-off is due, but who actually really knows right now? On the 4-hour chart, we're not looking too bearish or bullish. I'm kind of neutral. I mean, we're just trading in this kind of range at the moment over here. Just keep an eye on this level at 0.0069. On the hourly chart, yeah, we had a large kind of sell-off there. Didn't have too much of a price impact, but the wick over here kind of demonstrates to me that we got a lot of buying pressure, so that was kind of quickly bought up. Not a lot to worry about, and we're actually consolidating right here, guys, at around 0.0068. So that's very nice to know. All in all, to summarize my video, for DENT, because I'm extremely bullish on this, an altcoin GEM. I think if we break through here, we're going to come and retest 0.0089. I think that is possibly what will happen. Now, if we do that, and we successfully retest, and we break through this 0.0089 level, then we can potentially come up to 0.0096. So with that in mind, a 34% long could be very, very possible in the near future if we break this resistance and then see what happens when we get to the next resistance level. These things happen in waves and they don't happen overnight. So 35% long opportunity, guys. Remember, if we break to the downside, where was that Fibonacci level? I need to find it again, I'm very sorry. Right there. Golden ratio from where we are. If we break to the downside, there's our golden ratio in the fib. 16% shorting opportunity. If we break that support line. Now, given the strength of the market, what do you think is more likely to happen? You've seen other odds recently pump. I mean, what do you think is likely to happen right now? Do you think this is more likely to dump or pump? I have a very bullish feeling it's going to pump. And I don't want to, I like to be pragmatic and I like to always look at each situation individually, regardless of the fear and greed. But we have a lot of greed in the market right now. We haven't really had any corrections. But anyway, guys, keep an eye on those levels. That's where I think DENT is going to go. We have huge targets, and this coin can achieve big, big things in the future. Anyway, if you like the video, please thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.